Think big, we make it possible. This is CIS Coffee Break video series, and today's popular article is the 6 best free online artificial intelligence course for 2018. So, a basic grounding in the principles and practices about artificial intelligence, automation, and cognitive processes is something that's very likely to become increasingly valuable regardless of your field of organization, expertise, or livelihood. So, in this video, I will offer a rundown of some of the most effective free ones that are available now. First is Discover with Google AI. It's designed so that people who have no previous understanding of machine learning can leap in right at the beginning. Next is Google Machine Learning. The program is aimed at people looking to place machine learning neural network technologies to function as data analysts, data scientists, or machine learning engineers, as well as enterprising individuals needing to make use of the abundance of open source libraries and substances out there. After that is Stanford University Machine Learning. The entire course can be researched for free, even though there is also the choice of paying for a certificate that could definitely be helpful if you're planning to use your comprehension of AI to increase your career prospects. Columbia University Machine Learning is also a great option. This course is also available in its entirety for free online, using an option to cover certificate should you require it. Next is Nvidia Basics of Deep Learning to Computer Vision. In addition to the technical fundamentals, it covers how to spot situations or issues that could gain from the application of machinery capable of object recognition and image classification. Last but not least is MIT Deep Learning for Self-Cars. As with the course previously, MIT takes the approach of using one major, real-world facet of AI as a jumping-off point to explore the particular technologies involved. So, there you have it. If you would like to read the full article and learn more about what exactly these courses offer, click on the link below. Thanks for stopping by.